Hey, what's the fastest thing you've ever seen with your own eyes? Maybe a Bugatti hypercar blasting down the highway. Or an F1 car hitting top speeds of around 230 miles per hour during a race. That's impressive, but actually pretty cute compared to what's coming. Today, there's a battery-powered quadcopter called the Peregreen 3 that has just shattered all records, clocking an astonishing 360.4 miles per hour, which is exactly 580.4 kilometers per hour, making it the new Guinness World Record holder. This incredible speed was achieved by South African drone racer Ryan Laidman on May 11th, 2024, when he set the new Guinness World Record in a thrilling 100-meter sprint at Drone Show Africa in Cape Town. This isn't just fast, it's faster than a Formula One car's typical top speed of around 230 miles per hour, like Valtteri Bottas's record of 231.5 miles per hour in 2016. And it even surpasses the Porsche 918 Spyder's impressive 214 miles per hour top speed. Let's dive into the insane truth behind these high-speed machines and separate the real facts from all the internet clickbait and hype that surrounds them. First, let's look at the mind-blowing records that have paved the way for today's ultra-fast drones, showing the rapid evolution in drone racing technology. Ryan Laidman himself held the previous record of 224.27 miles per hour, or 361 kilometers per hour, with his Peregreen 2 drone back in August 2023, proving his dedication to continuous innovation in the field. Before that, back in 2017, the Drone Racing League's Racer X drone hit an impressive 179.6 miles per hour, or 289 kilometers per hour, really pushing the boundaries of what was thought possible for quadcopters at the time. And going further back, in 2016, Luke Maximo Bell's Velox drone reached 163 miles per hour, or 262 kilometers per hour, building steadily on the foundations laid by earlier models like the 2015 quadcopter that clocked 117 miles per hour. These aren't your average consumer drones like the common DJI models you see everywhere. They are purpose-built speed machines designed specifically for racing and record-breaking performance. The power-to-weight ratios in these elite racing drones exceed 20 kilowatts per kilogram, generating a total thrust of 50 to 100 kilograms from just their 4 powerful motors, enabling such extreme velocities. However, such extreme performance doesn't come without significant risks, especially when it comes to the high-discharge LiPo batteries that power these beasts. These batteries can puff up dramatically, overheat dangerously, or even explode in fiery bursts, with internal temperatures soaring over 150 degrees Celsius during heavy use or failures. That's precisely why you see professional racers wearing heavy-duty welding gloves whenever they charge or handle these powerful and potentially hazardous energy sources. Now, let's break down the 4 magic ingredients that make these drones achieve such mind-boggling speeds beyond imagination. First up are the ultralight carbon fiber frames, often weighing under 300 grams in total all-up weight, providing the perfect balance of necessary rigidity and minimal aerodynamic drag. Next come the tiny, high-pitch carbon fiber propellers, typically just 3 to 4 inches in diameter, but with a 5 to 6 inch pitch, meticulously designed to deliver maximum forward thrust efficiency. Then there are the brushless motors, spinning at an incredible 40,000 to 60,000 revolutions per minute, such as the popular 2,207 size motors with a 4,000 to 5,000 kV rating, generating immense power. And finally, the high-discharge LiPo batteries, like 8S 4,000 mAh packs rated at 200 C or higher, capable of delivering massive 1,600 amp bursts to fuel those high-speed runs. All these components are expertly orchestrated by open-source flight controllers running Betaflight firmware, which allows for precise PID tuning and high-rate gyroscopes operating at up to 32 kHz loops. It's like black magic wrapped in open-source code, enabling these drones to perform incredible aerodynamic feats, such as using streamlined fuselages, minimizing drag, and executing dives from altitude for explosive speed bursts. The world of high-speed drones is constantly evolving at a breakneck pace, pushing the absolute boundaries of engineering precision and human ingenuity in aviation technology. Stay tuned for more incredible advancements and breakthroughs in this thrilling and rapidly advancing field of drone technology. Here's the reality check. If you tried to fly one of these record machines, you would die. Not crash, die. At 500 kilometers per hour, the drone covers 139 meters per second. Human reaction time is about 250 milliseconds. That's 35 meters before your brain even registers, oh crap. Even pro FPV pilots with 28 millisecond digital video systems say anything above 400 kilometers per hour is basically autopilot territory. The human can't keep up. Also laws. In most countries, you're legally limited to 19 meters per second, about 68 kilometers per hour, outside of special racing events. So the 360 miles per hour monsters are flown in empty quarries or on private farmland with special permission. And batteries still suck. Even the best lipos give you 8 to 12 seconds at full throttle. That's why every speed run is a one-way suicide mission. They pointed down a 1 kilometer straight, floor it, and pray. Okay, so racing is cool, but is any of this useful? Infrastructure inspection. Caltrans in California inspects 4 bridges a day with drones instead of 1 bridge per day with cherry pickers and lane closures. Saves millions. Military. Ukraine is using modified racing FPV drones traveling 160 to 200 kilometers per hour as one-way kamikaze weapons. They're so fast that soldiers literally can't shoot them down with rifles anymore. Both sides are now fitting shotguns and net guns to their own drones to fight other drones. Welcome to 2025 warfare. Delivery? Not so fast. Amazon and Wing love to show 100 kilometers per hour delivery drones. Reality? Still waiting on BVLOS regulations, and wind above 30 kilometers per hour grounds most of them. It'll happen, but probably 2028 to 2030, not next Prime Day. Here's what keeps me up at night, in a good way. Solid-state batteries. 500 plus WH/kg instead of 250 double the flight time or double the speed. Hybrid electric systems already flying in military prototypes hours of endurance at 400 plus kilometers per hour. Neuromorphic AI vision. Event cameras that react in 2 to 3 milliseconds instead of 30 to 50 true autonomous dogfighting or delivery at racing speeds. Uncrewed traffic management coming online 2026 to 2028, thousands of drones sharing the sky without hitting each other. When those 4 things mature, we're talking 5-minute pizza delivery in cities, inspection drones that never land, and yes, maybe passenger eVTOL air taxis that actually make sense. So no, your DJI Mini is not secretly capable of 300 miles per hour. But a couple of mad scientists in a shed just proved that a battery-powered toaster with propellers can outrun a Lamborghini on the straight. And the ceiling is still going up. If you thought this was insane, hit that like button owes me a click. Drop a comment. Do you think we'll ever see 500 miles per hour with batteries? I'm betting yes before 2030. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Next week, we're doing a full breakdown of the Peregreen 3 and why it didn't explode at 580 kilometers per hour. Until then, keep your batteries cool and your props tight. I'll see you in the sky.